What's going on, you guys? It's Nathan Sexton here, back with another video. And in today's video, we had to restart because of stupid action figure freaking pushing stop on the goddamn camera. Where we left off was Edge. I'll have to re-say them all. The Bunny, Cena, yeah, you know, Boogeyman. I colored on a lot of them back then. Samoa Joe, AJ Styles, Sheamus, Kofi, and Mankind. Can we not push on that? Because I don't want to restart. Eddie Guerrero, Christian, Jacob Adams, known as me, $1 Million Man, Ted DiBiase. Just recently, I picked this guy up, Mojo Riley. Rusev Day, Bray Wyatt, Finn Balor, Roman Reigns, Seth Rollins. I love the camera, it's just so bright. Shinsuke Nakamura, Chris Jericho. I want to show some weapons too. I'm not going to show them all. Table. Oh crap. Stretcher. That came with Braun Strowman. Chair. I have a lot of these. Take all these out. I bought them at Goodwill for about like $2-3. Not bad for a lot of cases to mess around with. JBL. Typhoon. Yeah, Typhoon. Biggie Langston. No, Biggie. I don't know why I said Langston. This is Jay or Jimmy. Either one. Cowboy Bob Orton. That is the Build-A-Figure of Howard Finkel. Howard Finkel there. Farouk. I'm gonna show some females. Lana. I could have gotten Bailey the other day. Besides Mojo Riley. Stephanie McMahon. I know I collect, dolls and all that, you know me. It's not the sense of you collecting them, it's the sense of your childhood or whatever. Becky Lynch. Like, what if they're gonna play with them? Like, come on. Zombie Page. I don't play with these a lot. I collect them. Nia Jax. I collect them. I don't play with them much because I display them a lot. Scott Dawson and Dash Wilder, the Revival. Kevin Owens. Butch. A lot of them has marks, as I said. Ric Flair. I guess if you want to ask me for a trade, leave it down in the comments. Who do you want? Shawn Michaels, and I'll get to, hopefully. We can private message or whatever. Bret the Hitman Hart. A lot of these are not for trade. Like, I'll trade like vice versa. The black and silver AJ Styles, I'll trade that. Apollo Crews, like Sting. Sorry if you hear the background. A lot of people in the background. Adam Rose. Earthquake. Cesaro, I got a lot. Jim Bill Nyhurt, who just recently passed away. R.I.P. to the Heart Foundation. I'm sorry. Sorry about that. Carl Anderson. Like I said, I'll be playing music in the background, so any background sounds or anything will be cut out. Howard Finkel. Oh, here's the tag title. I'm stupid. I knew it was in the bag. Tactile. The other half. The Usos. X-Pac. Triple H. Particles from my book bag. Triple H. Who's taking on The Undertaker. Macho Man Randy Savage. Dang it! Stone Cold and Steve Austin, who's I think the WWF Attitude Era, or the WWE Attitude Era title. Brutus the Barber Beefcake. I have a lot. Big Boss Man. So, I mean, it's not, this live stream, this video is not real long. Luke. Because I think it's gonna be like 9-10 minutes, probably not even that. Sergeant Slaughter. Oh, and when I was supposed to play Pilly Mama, it took a while, I'm sorry. We will try and plan out a day or whenever, either this week or next week. So, yeah. Neville. So, me and her playing is not out of question. It's just she was busy with a lot of stuff. So, Ultimate Warrior. Luke Gallows. The other half of the club. Ravishing Rick Rude. I do have a Ravishing Rick Rude Elite. I don't know where I put him. Bam Bam Bigelow. Shane McMahon. And the last, but certainly not least, Braun Strowman. God dang. He's very big. He's a big bang. So yeah. About a big ass pile on the left, big pile on the right. Sorry about cussing. Because some people that are not kids, some people that watch me, sometimes they're kids, sometimes they're not. There's a jacket. That scares me sometimes. But you know, you gotta keep your kids occupied and all that. Money in the Bank briefcase with Howard Finkel's microphone. I don't know where the contract is. I gotta make a new contract. Oh, frick. Rocking chair. Wow, you just fell right to the ground. What else? You know, a lot of miscellaneous stuff like the door, you know, table pieces, you know. Sorry about the dogs again. I'll have music in the background. Don't copyright me or anything, YouTube or anyone else. Because it's just for purposes like of background noises or whatever, like the fan or anyone in the back. Carlito. Caribbean cool. Ring. Still gotta get a new ring. This is my stage thing. It says Nathan's Toy Show. What else? I guess Pink Floyd hat. It's basically WWE, but I want to make this a 10-minute. I think that's about it. Yeah. Please like, comment, subscribe for more. Hit that bell if you want to get notified of all my videos, vlogs, live streams, all that and etc. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Share all your friends and family. Please hit that subscribe button. If it's red, that means you're not subscribed. Please subscribe, hit that bell, like this video, comment down below like what action figures you want to trade for or anything else. What else? Thank you guys for 107 again. 107 subscribers means a lot to me. Give me up. My subscriber goal is 110. We are 3 subscribers away. Please like, comment, share. You know all the drill. I'm missing something. I'm thinking I'm missing something, but you know I'm not. Shout out to Pilly Mama Gaming. She's a good YouTuber. She's a good streamer. She works her butt off 24/7. She streams Fortnite, Destiny 2, MLB Show 18. She streams a lot of games. She tries to do it every day. Once a day, 2 a day. You know, I try to do videos and live streams every day. Like I did an hour live stream earlier today. Go check that out. Please like it and comment what you think of it. Please comment what you think of my collection if you like it. Rate it from 1 to 10. Yeah. Goodbye, guys.